Let's come to question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. A chord is given and radius 10 centimeter. It makes an angle, right angle at the center. Right angle means 90 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector, but use pi value 3.14. The question is given. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. This is a chord, AB is a chord, and the circle of radius become 10 centimeter. This is a chord AB. It is subtends right angle at the center. This is center. It makes right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. So radius given, 90 degree is given. We require to find out the area of the minor segment as well as the major sector. Okay, radius we know. Radius R is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, angle, sector angle or angle theta is equal to, it is 90 degree. So number 1, area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment. We require to find the area of minor segment. Area of minor segment formula pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 r square. This is a formula we know. Area of the segment, sector is different. Sector become theta by 360 into pi r square. It is segment pi theta by 360 minus sin theta by 2 r square. Okay, let's put the value. Pi value is already given by the question, 3.14. 3.14 into theta we know. Theta become 90 divided by pi theta, pi into theta. Pi become 3.14 into theta become 90 divided by 360 minus, and sin theta means sin theta is 90, sin 90 by 2 radius become 10, so 10 into 10 because r square 10 into 10 centimeter square. I hope you understand that. Substitute the value, pi values, theta value we know, and 360 sin theta has become 90. Okay, let's simplify. 0 cut off. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Okay, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1, 2 fives are 10, 2 sevens are 14. So it's come here 1.57 divided by 2 minus, what is sin 90? We know that sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, sin 90 value is 1. We want that I told you 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Sin is become number of left fingers by 4. Square root of left finger is become 4 by 4. It is equal to square root of 1 is 1. If suppose you don't know, I will memorize it. Sin 90 equal to 1. So 1 by 2 into 10 tens are 100 centimeter square. So let's take LCM. The LCM is become 2. So 2 go 1 time, 1 into 1, 1.57 minus 2 go 1 time, 1 ones are 1. That we know. Pi into 100 centimeter square. So let's minus it. 1.57 minus 1. 1.57 minus 1 is become 0.57 divided by 2 into 100 centimeter square. So 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. So let's multiply this one, and 1 0 will come extra. So okay, 0. 5 sevens are 35. 3 in hand, 25 plus 3, 28. So here 2 place of decimal, the 0 will be cancelled. So the result is become 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the minor segment. Now I'll go for area of major sector. So second one, number 2 is number 1. So area of the major sector, not segment, it is sector. So area of the major sector equal to area of circle minus area of the minor sector. Okay. Area of circle formula we know, pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of sector is become theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, I can put the values. Pi values we know 3.14 and radius become 10 into 10 centimeter square minus, here theta value we know 90 because we know theta is equal to 90 by 360 into pi become 3.14, radius become 10 into 10 centimeter square. Okay, let's simplify. So 314 into 100 is coming here 31400 will come 20 and 2 place of decimal. The point is coming 20 will be cancelled. So 314 centimeter square minus 0 cut off, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36 and 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So let's multiply 314 into 25. 314 multiply with 25. 5 14s are 7, okay, 10 22 in hand, 7 70, then is become 15, 5 3s are 15, it is 8 2 6, okay, 0 15 1 in hand and 8, it is 8, sorry, it is 7. Okay, now we have how many place of decimal? 2 place of decimal, so 78.5 centimeter square. So 314 minus 78.5 centimeter square, how much getting you can see now. 314 minus 78.5, see that 314.00 and 78.5, 10 you can put. So 10 minus 5 become 5, you power from here, right? Is 310. 10 minus 5 become 5. So power here 13 minus 8 is become 5, so 0. So 10 minus is become 3, it is 2. Okay, I think you know that. 235.5 centimeter square. So we got the area of the major sector and area of the minor segment. I hope you understand that. You apply the formula, direct formula, segment formula, pi theta by 360 into 360 minus sin theta by 2 r square. Sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. Major sector, so say area of circle minus area of minor sector. I hope understand. Let's go to question number 5.